Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In the last video, I have discussed about various addressing modes. In this video, I want to discuss the gate questions which asked in the year 2000 and 2001 related to the addressing modes. First, let me discuss about the question which came in the year 2000. They have given the three addressing modes and they have given the three concepts and they are asking us to match the appropriately. Now, first one, they have given the indirect addressing mode. In indirect addressing mode, what you will give, instead of giving the address of the operand directly, you will give the indirectly. Am I right or wrong? So let's take that here you have mentioned this one. Now what is the meaning? Suppose let's take that you have an address here like 10. Then you will go to the memory location which is having the address 10. Let's take that here it is having 15. Now this 15 is not the value. This is the actual address where the operand value is there. So you will go to the 15th location of the main memory and whatever the value is there. Let's take that here it is having the value 25. That value you will fetch it and you will execute the instruction. So indirect addressing mode is similar to the pointer concept in the C programming language. Now what is immediate addressing mode? In immediate addressing mode, you will specify the value of the operand instead of the specifying the operand or address of the operand. So which is nothing but you will specify the constants in the instruction. So immediate addressing mode is similar to the concept called constants. Now what is the auto decrement addressing mode? We have two types of addressing modes. One is auto increment and auto decrement. What that one will happen? Suppose if I mention 10 plus, okay, that is nothing but the auto increment. I want to discuss about the auto decrement. Let me discuss minus. So now what will happen is that you will go and fetch the value which is there in the address location. Let's take that address location 10, you have the value 15. So you will fetch it and you will perform the instruction. And the address now it will become 9 here. Previously it was 10. Now once you executed the instruction, the address will become 9. So next time when you are executing the instruction, you will go to the location 9, whatever the value is there. Let's take that it is having value 21. Next time it will fetch the value 21. So it will be decremented automatically. So this concept will be useful for us to perform the loops. Okay, so that's why auto decrement is similar to the loops concept. It is an appropriate match. I hope you have understood the question which came in the year 2000. Now let me discuss the question which given in the 2001. Similarly, they have given the three addressing modes and they have given the three concepts and they are asking which is appropriate one. Indirect addressive mode. So somewhere the address is indirectly should given. So if you see that array is not an address, we will not specify, and relocatable is not the correct one. Passing the array as a parameter. If you are passing the array as a parameter, you are specifying the address there. So indirect address mode will match with the passing array as a parameter appropriately. Now indexed addressing mode and base register addressing mode, and we have another addressing mode is relative. All these addressing modes will come into the category called displacement addressing mode. So you will have the address and you will have the offset. So the address plus offset you will perform addition and you whatever the value you will get to that location of the main memory, you will go and fetch the value. If the index register is used, that addressing mode we will call it as an indexed addressing mode. If you are using the base register there, then it is a base register addressing mode. If you are using a program counter, then we will call it as a relative addressing mode. So indexed addressing mode will be mainly useful for the arrays because you will have the, suppose if you want to go and fetch the value which is there in the a of 2, which is an integer array, then how you will do? You will have the base address value of the array plus 2 into the size of the integer you will write. So that value you will go and you will fetch the value which is there in the indexed a of 2. Okay, so the indexed addressing mode will be useful for us to implement the arrays. Now what is the base addressing mode? You will have the base register and the offset, which will be the option left is writing relocatable code. You can write it. But however, let me explain why it is writing relocatable code. This concept, this base registers will be useful for us to write the relocatable codes. Meaning is that, let's take that you have a program, you have it, some five instructions are there, instruction 1, instruction 2, instruction 5 up to there. Now the instruction 1 is currently having the in the address location 50. Then somewhere in the instruction 4 you have to execute the go to the instruction 60. Meaning is that you have to go to the address 60 in that instruction, whatever it is there in the address 60 you will execute it. Let's take that in 60 address location instruction 5 is there. That is what you have mentioned. So now you are changing the program location. Meaning is that right now it is starting with the 50 location and it is going up to 60. Let's take that now you are changing the address location of this program to the 5000. Meaning is that instruction 1 is currently in the 5000 location. Now if you write go to 60, will it reflect to the instruction 5? Now instruction 5 is not there in the 60 address location because you have moved the entire program to the 5000 location. So 5000 and next instruction will be some other address. So it is a sequence of address. So if you mention go to 60 here, then it will not execute the instruction 5. Am I right? So what you will do is that you will have the base register plus the displacement. The base register will consist of the starting address of the instruction in the program. Are you able to understand? So then the relocating is easy. Instead of writing 60 here, you will write 50 plus, means base register will have the 50 plus the displacement. So then it will be easy for you to relocate the program. So base register is appropriate for the writing the relocatable codes. So I hope you have understood both the questions. If you have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a nice day.